Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use CapCut Pro for free. Make sure you watch till the end, because this method surprises a lot of people. First, go to your desktop and create a new folder. Name the folder CapCut Pro. Next, open CapCut and go to Settings. From there, change the save location and set it to the folder you just created on your desktop. Then, open any project and add the effects that normally require a subscription. Now, try to export the video. You'll notice that CapCut asks you to upgrade to Pro, and this is where the trick supposedly comes in. Go back to the project and press Ctrl+A to select everything. Then, right-click on the selection and choose Create Compound Clip Sub-Project. Then, right-click again and select Pre-Process Compound Clip Sub-Project. After that, go to the CapCut Pro folder, open CapCut Drafts, then open the folder with your video's name. From there, head into Resources and then Combination. You'll notice a specific file, the one without a thumbnail. And this is where everything suddenly changes inside CapCut. Then, left-click on that file and drag it downward. When the option appears, choose Replace. And right here, things don't work the way most people expect. After you do the replace, try exporting the video again. This time, pay close attention. The export goes through successfully.